7 Passive income for 10K or less. What is passive income? Passive income includes regular earnings from a source other than an employer or contractor. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, says passive income can come from 2 sources: rental property or a business in which one does not actively participate, such as being paid book royalties or stock dividends. Many people think that passive income is about getting something for nothing, says financial coach and retired hedge fund manager Todd Tresidder. It has a get-rich-quick appeal, but in the end, it still involves work. You just give the work up front. In practice, you may do some or all of the work up front, but passive income often involves some additional labor along the way, too. You may have to keep your product updated or your rental property well maintained, in order to keep the passive dollars flowing. If you're thinking about creating a passive income stream, check out these 20 strategies and learn what it takes to be successful with them. 1. Create a course. One popular strategy for passive income is creating an audio or video course, then kicking back while cash rolls in from the sale of your product. Courses can be distributed and sold through sites such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. Alternatively, you might consider a freemium model, building up a following with free content and then charging for more detailed information or for those who want to know more. For example, language teachers and stock picking advice may use this model. 2. Write an ebook. Writing an ebook can be a good opportunity to take advantage of the low cost of publishing and even leverage the worldwide distribution. Ebooks can be relatively short, perhaps 30 to 50 pages, and can be relatively cheap to create, since they rely on your own expertise. You'll need to be an expert on a specific topic, but the topic could be niche and use some special skills or abilities that very few offer but that many readers need. You can quickly design the book on an online platform and then even test market different titles and price points. But just like with designing a course, a lot of the value comes when you add more ebooks to the mix, drawing in more customers to your content. Opportunity. An ebook can function not only to deliver good information and value to readers, but also as a way to drive traffic to your other offerings, including audio or video courses, other ebooks, a website, or potentially higher value seminars. Risk. Your ebook has to be very strong to build up a following, and then it helps if you have some way to market it, too, such as an existing website, a promotion on other relevant websites, appearances in the media or podcasts, or something else. So you could put in a lot of work up front and get very little back for your efforts, especially at first. And while an ebook is nice, it will help if you write more. And then even build a business around the book or make the book just one part of your business that strengthens the other parts. So your biggest risk is probably that you waste your time with little reward. 3. Rental income. Investing in rental properties is an effective way to earn passive income. But it often requires more work than people expect. If you don't take the time to learn how to make it a profitable venture, you could lose your investment and then some, says John H. Graves, an accredited investment fiduciary, AIF, in the Los Angeles area and author of The 7% Solution. You can afford a comfortable retirement. Opportunity. To earn passive income from rental properties, Graves says you must determine 3 things. 4. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, website owners, social media, influencers, or bloggers promote a third party's product by including a link to the product on their site or social media account. Amazon might be the best known affiliate partner, but eBay, Awin, and ShareASale are among the larger names, too. And Instagram and TikTok have become huge platforms for those looking to grow a following and promote products. You could also consider growing an email list to draw attention to your blog or otherwise direct people to products and services that they might want. Opportunity. When a visitor clicks on the link and makes a purchase from the third-party affiliate, the site owner earns a commission. The commission might range from 3 to 7%, so it will likely take significant traffic to your site to generate serious income. But if you can grow your following or have a more lucrative niche, such as software, financial services, or fitness, you may be able to make some serious. 5. Flip retail products. Take advantage of online sales platforms such as eBay or Amazon, and sell products that you find at cut-rate prices elsewhere. You'll arbitrage the difference in your purchase and sale prices, and may be able to build a following of individuals who track your deals. Opportunity. You'll be able to take advantage of price differences between what you can find and what the average consumer may be able to find. This could work especially well if you have a contact who can help you access discounted merchandise that few other people can find. Or you may be able to find valuable merchandise that others have simply overlooked. 6. Sell photography online. Selling photography online might not be the most obvious place to set up a passive business, but it could allow you to scale your efforts, especially if you can. To get started, you'll have to be approved by the platform, and then you license your photos to be used by whomever downloads them. The platform then pays you every time someone uses your photo. You'll need photos that appeal to a specific audience or that represent a certain scene, and you'll need to tease out where the demand is. Photos could be shots with models, landscapes, creative scenarios and more, or they could capture real events that might make the news. 7. Buy crowdfunded real estate. If you're interested in investing in real estate but don't want to do a lot of the heavy lifting, then another option is using a crowdfunding platform to invest. An experienced investing team picks out the real estate, and then you can decide to invest in it and how much you're comfortable with. You'll pay an annual management fee to the real estate platform and have minimum investment amounts that could range from $10 to tens of. Opportunity. You can get access to private real estate deals that may be attractive, and they've been pre-selected by knowledgeable investors. You can check out the returns on the platforms, so you'll have some idea of what level of returns you can expect and over what time frame. Real estate investments can also help diversify your portfolio, helping to smooth your returns. Some platforms invest in equity, stock, while others invest in debt. Generally, stock offers high returns in exchange for more risk, while debt offers lower returns in exchange for less risk. Some platforms require you to be an accredited investor, with a certain minimum income or assets. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.